We're headed to Disneyland. If you saw our previous vlog, we are in Vegas. We are packing up and getting ready to go to Disneyland. We've spent the last couple days here in Vegas just as like a pre-trial, if you will, to our Disneyland trip, just to do some relaxing, have some fun. And yeah, so we are headed to Disneyland today. We just have like a 4-hour drive, not too bad. Once we're there, our Disneyland adventures start tomorrow, so come with us. Hi friends, if you're anything like me, you love learning new things and honing your skills, whether it's crafting, storytelling, or exploring creative ways to express yourself. That's why I'm thrilled to talk about Skillshare. With Skillshare, you get access to thousands of classes and topics ranging from illustration, design, photography, and writing to business development, and so much more. Honestly, there's something for everyone, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking to deepen your craft. It's the perfect space to fuel your creativity and develop new passions. One class that's a must-try for craft lovers is Kahara Plecanic's Papercraft Earrings 3 DIY designs. In this class, Kahara guides you through making 3 unique styles of earrings entirely from paper: shaped dangles, 3D ball drops, and tassel earrings. It's beginner-friendly, requiring only simple tools like scissors, glue, basic jewelry making supplies. Whether you're looking to create lightweight, customizable accessories or make thoughtful gifts, this class will inspire you to craft with confidence. Kahara's approachable teaching style makes it easy to follow along and add your own personal flair to these designs. And here's the best part: Skillshare is giving the first 500 people who click on the link in the description box a free month trial of a premium membership. That's right, be one of the first to click and you'll unlock access to thousands of amazing classes, including Kahara's completely free for a month. It's the perfect chance to try something new, sharpen your skills, or discover a passion you didn't even know you had. So don't wait, head over to the link in my description box to claim your free trial while it lasts. Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and thank you, my wonderful community, for supporting the brands that help me bring you content like this. And let's jump back into the video. All right, we made it to California. It's our place. It's a little stinky.
Where's the light bulb in the bathroom? Mommy, one has to sleep on your bed. I will.
Did you find it?
Yep. I'm scared of it. Oh, look, a tree.
There you go. It's not the best.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Claire likes the hotel in Vegas better.
Oh, you like the Vegas hotel, or you liked the one that we stayed at Disney last time?
The one that we stayed at Disney last time.
Yeah, well,
that was like an extra $4,000.
we stayed at the Grand Californian the last time that we went to Disney, and that was pricey. And we were trying to do this a little bit more budget friendly, so we're staying at the Clementine Hotel. It's decent. It's not horrible. I don't know if I'd stay here again. It's really stinky in here, so we've got windows opened up. Hopefully that'll air out the smell a little bit. But you get what you pay for. Okay, change of plans. We upgraded our room. The other one was stinky, and we were a little spoiled by the fact that our room in Vegas had 2 bedrooms. And the other one of these just had this bedroom with the 2 beds and then a sofa bed. But now we have a loft. So we have a sofa bed. We have the bedroom with the 2 beds. Lacey's loving this little desk in here.
I'm not sleeping in there.
And then you go upstairs. You also have a little kitchen, and this one doesn't stink, so that's nice too. But you go upstairs, you have a bathroom and a bed. So that's actually really nice. So the kids, Lacey or Harvey and Clara, I think are gonna sleep up here.
I think we should kick him out.
You want up here?
Maybe, because then we can just put them all in a room and then
Shut the door.
you and I are staying up late. For
No,
reasons.
this is
That's
my
true.
bedroom.
You like it up here? Harvey likes it up here. So now we gotta go get the car, bring it over here. This is much better. Much better.
Google Gaga. And I think my desk.
Oh, she set up her desk. Look how cute.
And I put my bag on the chair.
Good plan. My parents just got in and we are going to go to the beach. Just walk around. It's probably going to be really cold, so we're mostly just going to go walk around the beach and go to dinner. Stop at a grocery store and get things for Disney, like food that we can bring with us, so we're not totally relying on food at Disneyland, which can get really expensive. So we're planning on bringing some food with us. So we're gonna go do all of that.
Find a spot by the water.
You want to go walk down the water?
Yeah. So then the water will take us.
I know, he's realizing what sand is.
Oh, yay!
That's how it works.
Take off your shoes. I want to get paper too.
Oh no, your feet are stuck.
I got them. Wait, where's so hot.
Morning of Disney.
I didn't
We're getting
bring
ready.
my socks.
You did bring socks. They're
No, I
upstairs.
didn't.
Yes, you did.
That was
We are doing the rope drop, so
You
it's
just call me.
nice and early in the morning.
Call me a
No, I was so excited. I didn't even sleep.
You couldn't even sleep. Me too. I thought I was gonna die.
So it's like
Why? Because I
6:49.
didn't want to die.
getting everybody ready. Nice Mickey Fanny.
My dad, has my Stitch necklace.
And they're already fighting.
Take it off.
This is a everyday, all day thing.
No olviden ajustarse sus señalados. Así es.
Harvey.
Harvey, say hi to little
Let's drive our car.
You need to look fast. Now get up there and dodge.
We're gonna race them. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Clara's going on the Incredicoaster for the first time. She's a little nervous. What'd you think?
It was good.
It was
But
good?
when it goes uphill and downhill, my stomach feels weird.
Yeah. Clara says she wants to go on it with you. Was it so fun?
Okay, we'll come back later and write it.
We're riding on one of the big ones, right?
No, we're riding on the unicorn.
They're a unicorn.
Try it out. do you think, Harvey?
Dog.
Have you had fun so far?
Dog. Dog.
Do you like Disneyland? Riding Inside Out, Clara loved the Incredicoaster. She said she wants to go again, which I am very, very surprised.
I'm not. She's old enough
Yeah, she's old enough to like
to like
it.
start enjoying like the rides and stuff.
Yeah.
I want to go.
Lacey really wanted to go on Incredicoaster, but she's still too short. Sad
Our
day.
kids and our genetics.
Yeah, our genetics. Our genetics for riding roller coasters
When your
aren't
dad
very
is
good.
5'4" and your mom's 5'2".
All right, you're on your own.
Now I know to be on my own.
Is that someone screaming? Oh, no, it's just me.
They're having so much fun. Look at your clothes.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me.
Say hi to Chip.
What do you say? Say bye. Putting our ponchos on to go on Grizzly Rapids so we don't get soaked.
I thought you were gonna win.
Harvey's all ready to go.
Dentro de la balsa.
Harvey's ready.
No olviden, no alimenten a los osos.
My eyes.
Bobby, say cheese.
My eyes.
We're eating at the Jazz. Is this called the Jazz Kitchen? Jazz Kitchen. Downtown Disney. Kind of like a seafood kind of place.
Doors.
Who was
I've been
the
walking all day.
prettiest of them all? Snow White.
Nice to sit
All
down.
of our kids are ready for bed already.
No, I'm not ready for bed. Because she's too full now. Daddy can never get full. He's scared. I want to be like Grammy.
Please stand by.
We're doing Guardians of the Galaxy. We convinced our kids to do it. We bribed them.
And we got lucky because it was a 90-minute standby. And there was no lightning lanes.
We'll have to tell you about it in a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm pooped.
Me? Daddy, can you help me find it?
It's been a long day.
Look in your clothes bag.
Oh,
you
it's
help
been
me
a
find
6 to 6:30 kind of day. What time is it? Like almost 7?
I need
Right.
to show you guys
The clock's
something.
unplugged. What is it? It's 7:05.
It's 7:05. So it's 6 o'clock to
Guys, I
7:05.
got this. And I got a water bottle and a stick.
Now we're gonna go relax our muscles in the hot tub.
I think I'm gonna sit in the hot tub.
I got Doug from Up.
Claire got Doug.
He rode with me on Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yes. Oh yeah, let's tell him about Guardians.
I was crying.
You cried
Galaxy?
while riding it?
No.
Just before.
Okay.
She cried before riding it. Lacey, what did you think of Guardians?
So when it was going down, it felt like I was flying. Then my knee was up, and it was like so much fun. It felt like it was fun.
It felt like you were flying.
Yeah.
Harvey, what were you
I
saying?
had to hold onto the bar really tight. I almost cried at the end.
Yeah. You didn't like it very much.
You tried.
Mommy, I was about to say, can I
It
hold
was a
onto your
thumbs
arm?
down.
Then I
But you
didn't.
rode it.
You wrote it and you did
You
so
wrote
good.
it, and that was so brave of you, wasn't it?
He was so brave. Who is this? Mom, can I have a drink?
Yep, it's old. So now it's
Is it
time.
gonna make
Larry,
me
there's part of
sick?
yours.
No, I opened it last night.
I don't know.
Swimming
Was it
and hot
the
tub
bag in the
time.
car?
And then Disney tomorrow. So we'll end this vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And we will see you
See you later.
next time.
No, where's my swim